This is Nick from What the Gem, and in this one I'll show you the hydrostatic balance, my favorite gem identification instrument. It determines specific gravity, which is the density of a gem compared to the density of water. You don't need to know the physics, just how to use it. This setup measures the gem's weight in air and then its weight underwater. The hanging frame doesn't weigh in, it is suspended on top of it. Only the submerged tray is measured. Once you zero the scale with the kit in place, you're ready. Dedicated instruments are expensive, but this kit sits on your scale. It's smart and old school. Let's see how it works in practice, and I'll explain what's happening along the way. This method is most reliable for gemstones over 1 carat. Below that, small errors make the result unreliable. Set up the kit on a stable and level surface, following the instructions. Make sure the submerged tray does not touch anything and the support cage rests on the scale. Set the scale to carats and to 0. First, weigh the gem in air. Do it a few times for accuracy. Then, gently place the gem on the tray underwater. Record the reading and remove the gem. Repeat this 3 or 4 times to make sure you get consistency. Get the average value and exclude measurements that are way off. Sometimes you'll need to repeat again and again. Here are a few important tips. Always dry the gem and the tweezers before each weigh-in. Watch for air bubbles under the stone because they will ruin the reading. Keep the setup steady and avoid any bumps. Once you have both values, use this formula. Specific gravity equals the weight in air divided by the weight in air minus the weight in water. Combine specific gravity with refractive index and birefringence along with your observations on color, inclusions, and optic character, and you will usually be able to identify the gem. You can always add more data like from the spectroscope, UV light, or Chelsea filter. Sometimes stones are confusing or a test is not possible. I love the challenge when that happens, so just keep calm and keep narrowing down your options. Thanks for watching. For more content and exclusive videos, check out What the Gem on Patreon and TikTok. Links are in the description below. See you around.